there, folks. Anne here, and I'm super excited to take you on an amazing journey into the incredible plating workshop of Ningbo Poyajim Jewelry Company, Limited. Get ready to have your mind blown as we dive into the captivating world of jewelry plating. Picture this: talented artisans working their magic, turning plain metal into jaw-dropping masterpieces that will leave you speechless. We're talking vibrant colors, irresistible shine, and pure artistry that'll make your heart skip a beat. At Poyajim, we're all about that attention to detail. Our plating masters pour their heart and soul into every single piece. They follow strict procedures, leaving no stone unturned, to ensure top-notch quality and brilliance. You can trust that when you wear our jewelry, you're wearing a piece of perfection that'll withstand the test of time. But it doesn't stop at looks. We're serious about safety and sustainability, too. Our cutting-edge equipment and dedicated laboratory guarantee that we use materials that meet the highest standards. So not only will you look fabulous, but you'll also feel good knowing that your jewelry is ethically made and environmentally friendly. Now let's talk options, my friends. We've got a dazzling range of plating choices to suit every style and taste. From the glitz and glamour of gold and rose gold to the sleek sophistication of rhodium and palladium, we've got you covered. Want to mix it up? No problem. We can create stunning two-tone or three-tone designs that'll make you the envy of all your friends. When you choose Poyajim, you're choosing excellence, competitive prices, and service that'll make you smile. We believe that jewelry is more than just an accessory. It's a statement, a piece of your unique story. Let us be a part of that journey, creating treasures that reflect your personality and bring joy to your life. So buckle up, my friends, because we're about to embark on a thrilling adventure through Poyajim's plating workshop. Get ready to be blown away by the artistry, passion, and timeless beauty that go into every single piece.
You'll never be my hometown girl. There's nothing like her in this world. I'm tired of the get around girl. Ain't nothing like my hometown girl.
You told me you were cool with kicking it. At my crib, in my pool, we'd be dipping it. But some days you would look at me so different. Oh, why? Is it because I'm in the music biz? Or you don't wanna love me when I'm just struggling? But you still tell me that you're my hometown chick. Why?
I'm missing someone else. This'll never be the same. But I blame it on myself, 'cause I can't make you change. You'll never be my hometown girl. There's nothing like her in this world. I'm tired of the get around girl. Ain't nothing like my hometown girl.
All the feelings in the